So many people find it difficult to set goals for themselves, including you. The new year is around the corner and resolutions are already pouring in. I want to do this, I want to do that. People are already setting goals. The problem is not setting goals, the problem is actually achieving those goals. And in this video, I'm going to tell you top 5 reasons why you will not achieve your goal in 2020. Welcome to my channel. If you're new here, you are so welcome. This is Oge, and please do well to subscribe to this channel, hit the like button, and don't fail to share it with your friends, share it with your colleagues, share it with your family as a new year gift. Because in this video I'm going to tell you the 5 reasons why you will not achieve your goal in 2020, and let's get started right away. The number one thing that will make you not to achieve your goal in 2020 is not writing your goals down. The situation of this country has made it difficult to retain information long term. So don't even bother having a mental picture if you know what I'm talking about. If you're a Nigerian here and you feel, oh no, I will not forget, I'm good with the mental picture. Okay, just challenge me now by writing in the comment section that I will not forget if you're a Nigerian. Because I know the situation, like I said, have made it difficult for us to have long-term memory. So it is better you put down your goals in writing. Paste it where you are going to always see it so that you will not forget. And if you're the type who just always have a mental picture, I'm sorry, you will not achieve your goal in 2020. The number 2 thing that will make you not to achieve your goal in 2020 is not being specific enough. Having a goal that is just so broad. I want to lose weight. That is not a goal. You want to lose 3 kg in 2 months. It is a better goal. You know what you're going to achieve. It is very, very specific. Those are the kind of goals that you should aim for. If you're the type you're just, I want to be rich in 2020, then my dear, if you just have that picture without having a direct hit on how you are going to be rich every month, or how you are going to save 10 naira every month, so that at the end of the 12 months you would have had 120 naira, I'm sorry, you are not going to achieve your goals in 2020. The number 3 thing is, if you're not passionate enough about your goals, you will not achieve them in 2020. You need to be direct. You need to have this burning desire. There has to be something pushing you to want to achieve these goals. Your goals need to motivate you. It needs to be enough to inspire you to wake up early in the morning, to fight every day, giving it all you have every single day until you achieve it. If what you're doing or what you want to do or the goal you set out does not inspire or motivate you enough, if you're not passionate about it, I'm sorry, you will not be able to achieve your goals in 2020. The number 4 thing is too many distractions. If you're the type that easily gets distracted, you will find it difficult to achieve your goals in 2020, because goal achievers are the ones who stay focused till the end. Those who are easily distracted by something or by someone, they don't meet up their goals. They don't achieve their goals, because any little thing can take them away from the path that they've already set for themselves. For instance, you already have this business plan and business idea that probably you started, but of course we all know that business does not really kick off immediately. And because you see that you're just struggling at that initial time, and someone is coming to tell you, hey, this is not the best business you should be into, come, there's money in my own, and you just abandon what you just started and move to the person's own business. That is how you will keep moving from one business to the other without achieving your goals. If you're easily distracted, you will not be able to achieve your goals in 2020. Number 5 reason why you will fail to achieve your goal in 2020 is if you're lazy. Of course, we know that hard work pays, but a lazy man, a lazy woman will bask in lack. You will keep lacking, and you would only be living with a wish. I wish I can do this, I wish I can do that. You will just be dreaming. You will live in dreamland. probably forever. But I don't pray that for you. If you're the type who finds it difficult to wake up in the morning and give that extra 30 minutes to exercising so as to lose weight, you will never lose weight because you're too lazy to wake up in the morning, even though you've already set that goal for yourself, but you won't be able to achieve it. If you're the type who has got it all planned, how you're going to make your millions, and you're too lazy to visit that first client to play your proposal so that he'll look at it and see if he can be an investor. If you're too lazy to do that, I'm sorry, you won't be able to achieve your goal in 2020. It takes hard work. The lazy ones, those who find it difficult to do something or who are very, very sluggish, you will not be able to achieve your goals in 2020. Thank you for watching this video. If you have reasons why people in general fail to achieve their goals, please put it down in the comment section. And if there are any topics you want me to talk about, also put it down in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And when you do subscribe, remember to hit the bell beside the subscribe button so that you will always get notified whenever I post a new video. Like this video and just share it to your friends, to your colleagues, to your family, to whoever you want to share it with, and I'll see you again in my next video. Bye.